BYD is quickly expanding its electric vehicle lineup with new models to replace Tesla as the #1 EV maker in the world. The latest model to join the family is BYD Sea Lion 07, a Tesla Model Y direct competitor that will sell for a little over $26,000. BYD said it was its first medium-sized urban smart electric SUV. It's also the first EV based on BYD's new e-platform 3.0 Evo, with improved charging and powertrain capability. The Sea Lion 7 is the sister vehicle to the Seal, and one designed to appeal to those after more practicality. It has similar front-end styling cues as the Seal, with the X motif, but has a slightly jacked-up profile and black cladding around the wheel arches to give a pseudo-SUV stance. The BYD Sea Lion 07 range comprises 3 power electric variants, which can be classified as standard range rear-wheel drive, long-range rear-wheel drive, and long-range all-wheel drive. The standard range rear-wheel drive variant has a single motor with 228 horsepower. It equipped by 72 kilowatt-hour LFP battery pack, which BYD claims will allow for up to 550 km of CLTC range. The long-range rear-wheel drive variant upgrades to a 308 horsepower and the 80.64 kilowatt battery, which extends the range to 610 km. Finally, the long-range all-wheel drive variant has a peak power of 523 horsepower and capable of sprinting from 0 to 62 miles per hour just in 4.2 seconds. Powered by the same 80.64 kilowatt-hour battery, this version has a CLTC range of 550 km. In terms of driver assistance, the Sea Lion 07 is the first BYD vehicle to feature the DI Pilot 100 God's Eye Advanced Driver Assistance System. The system integrates 12 ultrasonic radars, 5mm wave radars, and 11 cameras to provide advanced Level 2 driver assistance capabilities. Inside the cabin, the Sea Lion 07 offers a flat-bottomed steering wheel, fancy crystal gear selector, and physical buttons for essential controls, and a 50-inch augmented reality head-up display to enhances the driving experience. At the same time, the 15.6-inch central screen runs on the Dialink 100 system, powered by a 6-nanometer chip for seamless voice control. In China, BYD officially launched the Sea Lion 07 with prices starting at $26,250 for base trim and $33,154 for the long-range all-wheel drive variant. Meanwhile, BYD expects the car to reach Europe dealers by the first quarter of 2025.